Welcome back to the Ferguson family. Today we are building the chicken run. We found some old posts and denailed them. Dave from extended family and Jason wound the chicken wire around and screwed it onto the first fence post and the chicken coop. While Damien from the current place wound the roll of wire and started attaching it to the posts on the inside of the drill. We just worked our way around the fence line, attaching the posts and the wire, while Dave used a stapler to attach the wire at the top. Damien found a new use for the posts that we were cutting. We went as far as we could around the fence, and then we needed to attach the chicken wire to waratah.
Getting the hang of it?
Attach the wire by screwing a post onto the waratah.
For denailing this wood, and I didn't even do it. I'm just doing one of them. The rest of the guys did it all. I guess.
Yeah.
And then squeeze. You can do it! Yeah, gotta get a deeper squat in there. That's the one.
Second
Yeah.
from the top.
Yeah, whatever's.
Now the chicken coop is finally complete. Oh, so you don't miss the next episode.